I'm Tom from California Dad Reviews, and this is a look at playing the very popular children's song Baby Shark on the Melissa and Doug piano. So this is a really cool toy from Melissa and Doug. It's under $100, and it's a piano that actually plays correct notes, and it's obviously child size. It doesn't actually work like a real piano in that I don't think it's able to sustain a note, so it's kind of almost like a harpsichord, really. But, obviously you can play simple tunes on it. And one of the favorite tunes of toddlers these days is, of course, Baby Shark. So how do you play Baby Shark on the Melissa and Doug piano? It's really, really simple. The most basic melody is just using D, E, and G, and it's like this: D, E, G, 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 and then at the end we're going to go to F sharp. So like that. And then if we want to go down an octave, I like to do that when you get to the part of the song that uses Daddy Shark or Grandpa Shark. So going down a little bit lower to capture that part. Now this only covers 2 octaves here, so you can start the higher version, but there's no G, so you can't actually go up and play that. But that's the very basics of playing Baby Shark on the Melissa and Doug piano. And of course, you can have your kid learn that or play along, or just delight them with your knowledge of how to play Baby Shark. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.